good morning, team. Whoa, such an awesome presentation this morning from this book, Think and Grow Rich. One of my favorite books, as I would have told you in the past. This book for me is right up there with the Bible. If you are seeking to empower your own mind, if you are seeking to be that person of substance, if you are seeking the knowledge and all the information that you require to become successful, then I can tell you, if you have not found it in the Bible, then of course it's right there in this book. And this morning, Napoleon Hill spoke to us about desire, the importance of having desire. You can wish for a thing, you can think about a thing, but if your desire is not strong enough, then for sure your wish is just a simple wish. It will never ever become a reality. Good morning, everyone. My name is Christopher Thomas, and of course, I am a fellow affiliate of the Vida Divina family. Really happy to see all of you here this morning. I'm sure you would have been impacted in a very strong way, considering the information that was disseminated just now by that book, Think and Grow Rich. I'm sure there are people here that can, share in the chat the few nuggets that they would have taken from this book. I saw people on the call, I was busy doing some stuff, but of course I was looking at the numbers going up and nobody was leaving. That told me something. What that tells me is that you were captivated by what you were hearing. You were super excited about the information that was being shared. And for that, we're grateful, because that's the purpose of us gathering here. We want to make sure that we are empowering our fellow affiliates. Yes, empowering you to grow, empowering you to develop, empowering you to understand that anything that you choose to do in this life, anything that you choose to do, once you have the desire, backed by faith, and there's a plan, can I tell you, victory is yours. Victory is yours, ladies and gentlemen. I am an example of that, and I'm sure there are other persons here that can attest to that. No, can I tell you, we are 2 weeks into our challenge. Yes, today is actually 2 weeks since we have started this great challenge. Wow, I'm super excited. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you feeling about our challenge thus far? If you are excited about the challenge, if you have embraced the challenge with every single thing that you have, can I ask you to drop the number 7 in the chat? Can I ask you at this point in time just to drop the number 7 in the chat if you are excited about this challenge? This 90-day challenge to greatness. Yes, we are talking about achieving something that we have never achieved in Vida Divina before. We're talking about getting back to where we were before. What is the highest point that you would have achieved in Vida Divina? Well, can I tell you, people are working assiduously day and night. When I look at the business opportunity presentations, I see more and more new people, more and more guests are coming on, which means that people are invited, and I'm really excited for that. Importantly, ladies and gentlemen, for this week number 2, we had a very important target, and that target was for each person to retail 15 items. If you were close, let me just ask the question. Please go to the chat and drop the number of items that you retailed in week number 2 during this challenge. It doesn't matter whether it was 1 or 15. Go to the chat. We want to encourage you. We want to big you up. And for every person who place a number in the chat, we want to follow that up with some support. Throw some fire emojis. Can I tell you? For this week, I did 20 items. Let me just put that right out there. Yes, I underachieved, but I did 20 items over this week. I didn't do too well. I underachieved because my intention was to do at least 30, but I ended up with just about 20. Wow, people did 4. My goodness, people, listen. Jeru, I am proud of you. You did 1. Let me see what's going on here. Ladies and gentlemen, where are the supports? Where are the fire emojis? 2 from Tamara. Tamara, I love you. Listen, Okima Gordon. Listen, girl, I'm so proud of you. What about Global Stars? 4. That is amazing. Jeru did 1. I'm happy for you, Jeru. Marcia 2. Carlene 5. Wow, look at Ivan Sherwood with 10. Ladies and gentlemen, Simone said, Chris, you did 20. Well, guess what? You are joking. You are playing. I did 27. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, put some fire emojis in the chat for these awesome affiliates. Christine, she did 2 items. That is great. Natasha 4. Wow, and you did 2. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're talking about. People are taking the challenges. And let me tell you something, they are working. I am super, super excited this morning for every single person who have embraced the challenge and you have done the work. Congratulations to Simone, our leader for week 2. You did 27 items. And ladies and gentlemen, we're not talking about selling a sachet of tea. We're talking about selling a bundle of tea. That's an item. A Mars is an item. Yes, a box of Tonka item. A Venus is 1 item, and Simone did 27 in week 2. Okay, let us move to section 2. What about your list of 250 people? Let me see those numbers in the chat. How close are you to 250 people? Because we need to start working on these ASAP. So let me, whatever number you are, please just drop that in the chat right now. Carlene is at 200. Put some fire emojis in the chat for Carlene. Let me put my list there because, ladies and gentlemen, I have a list of 258 at the minute as we speak, right? 258 is my number. That's what I have right now as we speak, right? Carlene, you did 200. I'm super excited for you. Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who is that now? That is looking good. I saw another, oh yes, past 200, Jeru. That is good. Good, good. Oh my goodness gracious me. What an awesome team of persons who are super excited about their business, working it daily. Simone is at 98. Congratulations. Who else? Drop your number in the chat, man. Drop your number in the chat. Don't be afraid. If it's one you have on your list, don't be afraid because we want to move up. Dan Rogers, 160. Tamara, 50. Keep going, keep adding to that list, ladies and gentlemen, because guess what happened? Monday night, we discussed on the training how to invite people to our business opportunity presentations, and also we looked at how we can invite people to look at our launch call. The list that we're preparing is not a joke list that we're asking you to prepare. We're asking you to prepare a list because very soon, before the month is out, you are going to decide on a date for your launch call. You're going to decide whether or not you're going to invite these people to your launch call or to a business opportunity presentation. The choice. Start preparing yourself from now. Of course, there are able people here who can help you with these launch calls. You have Lady Aisha, you have Simone that is here, Javon is available, Mark is available, Sir Clinton is available, right? Don Rogers and all these leaders are available to help you with your launch call. You decide, yes, when you want to get your launch call done. Mr. Kerr, my father, he's here as well. He's an expert at these launch calls. So listen now, organize yourself, plan your date, and let us know if we can fit into your time, and we will be there to support your launch call, right? So number one, either you're going to conduct a launch call or you're going to invite these people to the business opportunity presentation. If you're going to invite the people to the business opportunity presentation, guess what? Already started that process of showing you how to get that done, right? So last week we dealt with, you must, step 1, step 2, you must compliment your prospect. Step 3, you make the invitation. And step 4, if I would you. I have shared in all the groups that I am a part of. So the booklet from Mr. Eric Warwick with all of the phrase and the sentences that you use at each steps, yes, all of those are available to you. If you have not yet, may I invite you to reach out to your leader and ask your leader, where is the document? Because I have shared it in the groups, right? And I would like for you to utilize them. So all the information is there. All of the sentences that you can use, yes, to build that complete package is indeed available. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you this morning for taking time busy schedule to be with us today on this another 98 Greatness morning huddle. Ladies and gentlemen, we are super excited. Congratulations to those who have embraced the challenge that we issued last week, and now we are moving into the third week, and we want to say to people, number one, please complete that list. Make sure that you don't go beyond the third week in completing the list of 200 people, right? And the challenge now for this week again, can we do 15 sales? Can we get to 15 sales, ladies and gentlemen? Do you sell 15 items again? Yes. For those persons who did 2, I know you can improve on that. For those persons who did 1, can I ask you just to double that up? For those persons who did 10, can you double that up? For those persons who did 27, can you double that up? And for those persons who did 20, can you double that up? Yes, we can. I believe we can, right? I believe we can, ladies and gentlemen. And so, this morning, I want to say to you that it is very important to understand, for all of us to understand, not just you, because I'm a part of this thing as well, and not because I'm the one sharing, going to exclude myself from it. Desire is the starting point of all achievements. Yes? Our desire is always the starting point of all achievement, right? Our desire must not just be a hope. It must not just be a wish, but our desire must, ladies and gentlemen, be backed up with faith. Yes? And faith, as far as I know, ladies and gentlemen, has some components to it. Number one, faith, for you to believe, there must be the dissemination of knowledge. But most importantly, if you say you believe something, you must take action. Let me say that again. For you to say you believe something, you must receive the information. Yes? But most importantly, for you to really say that you have faith and you believe, you must take action. There is absolutely no faith without action. And so I challenge each person here this morning to not just say that you have a desire for success and you want to be successful, but make sure that that desire is coupled with faith, and your faith must be coupled with action. I want to thank each and every one of us for being present here this morning. And let me tell you, if you want to basically find some time today or tomorrow or whenever, and you have some time available to you and you want to listen to that audiobook, Think and Grow Rich, just go to YouTube and you type that in, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Can I tell you, that book will change your perspective on this business called network marketing. It will change your life. It will change your thinking. It will help to change your attitude, ladies and gentlemen. So I want to thank you for embracing the challenge, 250 people. Yes, I want to thank you for embracing the challenge of another 15 items or doubling up as time, as we look forward now to move into whether it's our launch call or we're going to be inviting people to the business opportunity presentation. So for those of you who are embracing the challenge, please go to the chat and type the number 7. If you are embracing the challenge, embrace the challenge with God's perfect number. It's the number 7. Let's go to the chat and embrace the challenge with the number 7. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that number, perfect number, the number 7, the number of completion. Yes, talk to me now, talk to me. Yes, Aisha, I see you, Jeru, I see you, Myrtle Davis, I see you. And let me tell you something, guys, let me just remind you of this. There are people out there right now who are waiting on you to tell them about this business. There are people out there, Clinton, that are just waiting for you to tell them about these products. Let me tell you, people are sick, the world is sick. Every single day I pick up the paper, I am seeing where teenagers are dying from brain aneurysm. I'm seeing where young adults are dying from brain aneurysm. Something is happening, something is in the atmosphere. But guess what? We have products that are designed specifically to help to mitigate these challenges. Can you get these products into the hands of people? Yes, you can. The T, you must get that into the hands of people. The Mars, you must get that into the hands of people. What about those persons who are seeking to improve their immunity? Can I tell you? The Chaga, the Gano, yes, the Agrarious Blaze, yes, the Turkey Tail. Get these things into the hands of the people.